Hey Mamadou, it's Christy Gessler. Here we are. I'm driving down FM 1431. I kind of wanted to give you an idea of some of the shopping that is down here as we approach the Sendero Springs neighborhood. So this is the intersection of Highway 183A and 1431. So I kind of want to give you an idea here of where we are. Up over here on the left side is called the 1890 Ranch Shopping Center, where in here you have Target, other stores, a great movie theater, restaurants, banking, pet stores, all sorts of stuff along here. So this is right down at the intersection of 1431 and 183A. The neighborhood Sendero Springs is going to be just a few miles down the road from here, but you can see the proximity. Now there's road construction going on right now, but hopefully that'll be done here in the not too distant future. So I'm going to just let it roll here a little bit, and you can see the street line as we go down. Again, I'm heading east on 1431. This is Arrow Point Road, so you can kind of see where I am if you're looking at a map along with this video. As we come up here over the hill, Vista Ridge High School is going to be up on the top of the hill over to the right. I am fairly confident that this particular residence goes to Round Rock High School, but we'll have to double check that and see, because I do believe that's the case. But as we come up here to the top of the hill, we're going to be coming up to like a Home Depot and the major grocery store chain here in Texas, H-E-B. It's going to be right up here at the intersection of 1431 and Palmer Lane. So you can see as we're going along, just for a couple minutes, all of the various shopping that's around. Got somebody crazy changing lanes in front of me. Okay, here we go. There's the Home Depot, and then up here is the H-E-B grocery store complex you can see. So I'm just going to let the tape run here a little bit. I'm coming up to a red light at Palmer Lane, but I just kind of want to give you a timing, proximity here for it. So now I'm at the intersection of FM 1431 and Palmer Lane. So Palmer Lane is a great road to head south to get back down downtown fairly easily via Mopac, which is one of the other major highways there. So it's a good connection out here for sure. Traffic-wise, this is probably about average, even though right now it's Sunday afternoon at about 1:20 in the afternoon. This is probably going to be, about an average time. There's a fair amount of traffic on this road, but not an excessive amount. Future plans include what's called a Schlitterbahn right near this intersection of County Road 178. It's going to be, there's large water parks in Texas, in New Braunfels and down in Galveston on the coast, called Schlitterbahn. Big water parks, water rides, shows, things like that. And so there's a development that's going to be happening right here on the right side. There is an indoor swimming facility and an indoor soccer facility on our left side as well, which is good for year-round sports or exercise. Coming up over the hill, we're coming up to the intersection of Sam Bass Road. To the left is the Williamson County Regional Park. Great complex for soccer, running trails, tennis, And they have like a splash park, it's called, so it's not really a pool complex, but it's little water things that shoot up out of the ground, great for little kids. And that's just to the left at this intersection here. You can see the sign coming up that says County Park. That's what that means. Really nice complex where they have a lot of different sporting events going on. So that's at 1431 and Sam Bass Road. In the distance, you can see a couple of water towers, and that's actually basically the neighborhood is straight ahead where that smaller of the two water towers is located. Of course, you can tell if we keep going east on 1431, we're going to come up to I-35 to the IKEA complex, we call it, where there's a lot more shopping and restaurants and everything around there. But again, that's a super easy way to get back into downtown as well, of course out to the airport, all that. So really the location of this neighborhood is really quite good. I'm trying not to tailgate the person in front of me, but we've got some really slow drivers today. Alright, so you can see the community coming up here on our right side with these flags. So I'm going to be turning in. This is Sendero Springs Drive. But you can get an idea here of the entrance to the neighborhood. Alright, here we are. There's the Streetman Homes model home where they've got a couple lots left in this section of the neighborhood that they're finishing out, and then they're starting a new development adjacent to this. So they will be transitioning out of that model home in the near future. So this gives you an idea of the neighborhood itself. Really nice, well-manicured lawns. Alright, and I'm pulling up to the house now, so I'm going to shut off and start up again in just a moment.